really loved me yesterday, but you changed your mind today. Now we're back to another day. It's all the same.
Oh, I know. I definitely gave the camera the look like, Because I switched it, didn't I? I knew it when I was doing it. I was in the middle of it, I'm like, I did the ride too early.
Oh, are we just, oh, sorry. Go. No, I'll play through it. Go to the back of the course,
The chorus?
Go back to the course, like that.
Nice and mellow. I like that.
Run that promo by me one more time.
For all your studio needs, I choose Snyder on Hanover.
And chalice for chalice.
Sip my water.
Water.
Let me get a sip of my water, you know.
They water, man.
You want to ride that roller coaster?
Too.
You already had that part.
No, I didn't. I fucked that part up.
Did you?
Yes. I thought I fucked it up. But that part is fucked up. Should it end with a, or with a?
Where will you go when you leave? Maybe to heaven's all you can.